Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review FLOLAB's new one-time screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro, the blue light blocking version. So there's one which blocks blue light, there's another one which is anti-glare, and there's a third version which is privacy. This one is the blue light blocking version. This is also antimicrobial, and it's made of high-quality aluminosilicate glass. But perhaps the most interesting thing about this is the installer. This is using an entirely new install system, which is supposed to make the installation dust-free. Really exciting. In this review, I'm going to install this on my iPhone 14 Pro so we can check out the results. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we've got the installer. This comes preloaded with the screen protector in order to minimize dust, which is an excellent idea. And then we have our install kit. So you've got a cleverly packaged wet wipe, you've got a microfiber cloth, you've got two sizes of dust removal stickers, small and huge, and then you have your install manual. So when you're ready to begin, first off, you want to power down your device. And then you want to take off any cases or screen protectors that you might have in place. And then you want to open up your install kit. So in order to do that, you need to hold down this little plastic tab here while you pull off the top. This is going to allow you to access this tray. So take your phone and be sure to put it in there correctly. Obviously, your camera is going to go here. Place it in the tray, and then you're going to do all of your cleaning process once it's in the tray. So you're going to take your wet wipe and clean it with the wet wipe. And then you can dry it with a microfiber cloth. And then you want to take your super huge and beautiful dust removal sticker. This is the largest one in the industry that I know of. And put it down to completely cover your phone. Next, take a look at the rest of the installer. Be sure to notice that you have a top and a bottom to this. So this top is marked top, and you're going to be putting this on top of your phone in the tray, which is also marked top. So be sure to put it on the right way around. So when you're ready, you're going to take off the dust removal sticker to expose your beautifully clean phone, and then take your installer and put it in place. Again, be sure to put the top on the top. Next, what you need to do is pull out this plastic tab in order to activate the installer. Takes a little bit of doing. And then you need to take your finger and slowly slide it down the line. Finally, you need to wait for 20 seconds. Once the 20 seconds are over, you can lift off the installer and take out your phone. Appears to be kind of stuck on there. We have a sticky bit here, which you have to kind of pry your phone out of. So that was a little bit of a surprise. But now that that's over with, you can see we do have a few bubbles, but hopefully these are going to be easily removable. Looking at the results of the installation, I think everything went great. So we've got an edge-to-edge fit here. We've got a perfect alignment. This is very thin. You've got nice rounded edges on here. And I did not get a single speck of dust underneath my screen protector during this. This worked great. I have to say, I think that they really nailed it with this. They did a great job. I like this better than the installer for the ONETIME Pro. I think that it is even more foolproof. The only part of the install process which made me a little bit nervous was the final removal process, because I didn't expect that the interior of the top here was going to have a sticky thing holding my phone in place. I think that they should have included that information in the instructions, because you kind of had to pull it off of there, and I thought, what in the world? My phone is stuck. But actually, I think that that's just operating as intended. But I do think the results were great. Everything looks great, feels great. And it was super, super easy to put in place. So checking out our look and feel, everything is great here. We've got beautiful optical clarity. This is very thin and responsive. There's no issues with haptic touch. The oleophobic coating feels great, very slippery smooth. And I'm not noticing any issues with a yellow tint to the screen or a blue tint. As you can see, the screen is pretty neutral here on a white page. So overall, I think all of that is great. This should do well against scratches, although I don't have any long-term use data on that. It's not going to be as tough against impact as something like a specialized polymer screen protector, but it's going to be just a real pleasure to have on your phone. Very, very nice look and feel to this. And I think particularly with the super fantastic installer, this is a win. So the more expensive version of this is twice as much. It's $49.95. This one's on sale for $24.95. And it has almost all the same features except for the fact that it doesn't have an anti-reflective coating. So I had the version with the anti-reflective coating on my phone and I thought it was quite good. But I think that this one looks great too. So this may get a few more reflections, but I think that at half the price and probably an even better installer, there is a lot to love here. So as far as case compatibility is concerned, let's check that out because that's always important. I'm a case user. I never use my phone naked, so I always want to make sure that it's going to work well with cases. So let's start off here with a case to fight impact. Everything looks great. There's no bubbling, no lifting anywhere. So beautiful combo there. And with the Apple silicone case, everything should be fine here. And it is excellent fit with the Apple silicone. And with the OtterBox symmetry case, so everything looks fine with the fit here. No lifting, no bubbling. Looks beautiful. Rhino Shield solid suitcase. Looks like we got a really good fit here. And then finally the Mouse Limitless 5.0 in the lovely aramid fiber version. So looking here, everything looks good, I think. So no problems with the buttons. Not seeing any problems with lifting anywhere. I think we got a good fit. So excellent, 5 out of 5. Lots to love here with the FLOLAB ONETIME. So again, we've been looking at the beautiful blue light blocking one-time screen protector for iPhone 14 Pro by FLOLAB. This product is available directly from FLOLAB and is priced normally at $29.95, but is currently on sale for $24.95. Plus, you can save an additional 10% with the affiliate coupon TR10. So definitely check that out if you are interested in this screen protector. Many thanks to the kind folks at FLOLAB for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.